Nation. We are going to do part 2 where we hang up Cairo the Catalina's canvas. If you have not seen the video of opening this beauty, check out the link in the video. I took this photo of my Catalina macaw. His name is Cairo. He is a rescue bird, and this is a very important portrait. And it means so much to us because we saved him and gave him the best life possible. And now we're going to start brightening our bird room up by hanging all of our bird pictures. This is our very first one that we ordered, and it came out fantastic. I hear music in my house. Let's go see what's going on. What's going on in my house? Hi guys! I'm gonna put this down for a minute. Oh my God, you're so funny! Are you gonna see us for us? Oh, you're gonna see us for us! Upside down. Oh, you're my little baby. You're my little baby. You're my little baby. Oh my gosh, I must love you. Ruby loves to dance.
What do you have to say for yourself? How are you feeling right now? You feeling good? Huh? Oh, you want to talk?
Oh, this is perfect. I love it. It's perfect in the bird room. Oh, that's hilarious. Are you dancing? No, no biting the chair. We need to give Cairo a middle name. All right, Mr. Party's over. No biting chairs. Okay, listen to all the birds. They're so jealous. The minute Ruby is here by herself, they start screaming their head off.